and for today's video, we will be unboxing 3 packages that just arrived today that I ordered in Shopee. So stay tuned, guys. Here is canvas that I ordered. It was 3 weeks ago since I live in an island, so it takes like 2 days before it arrives. So it arrives in Zamboanga where my sister received it and forward it to me here in Tawi-Tawi. So let's open this mini canvas that I ordered. Here it is. Look at the canvas. It's so pretty. It's very small and cute. So it is 3.5 inches canvas. Very tiny. It's very tiny and cute, you know. So I bought 19 of them, and it's really awesome. So I will be using this for my tutorial, guys, so please look forward to my upcoming tutorials. I will be using this. So I'm really super excited to unbox this thing, you know. I woke up early, so because I'm super excited. So it is 19 pieces, so we will count if it's complete. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 17, 18, 19. Okay, 19. It's complete. Okay, so let's forward to the next package. Okay, it is linseed oil. Since I still have the half filled bottle of linseed, but I was thinking to order because I will be using oil in the future, so it's better to be prepared, you know. So I ordered another bottle of linseed oil. So as you can see, they filled it with carton or cardboard to ensure that it's safe. So it's really nice. So the bottle cannot be squeezed. Yes, and here it is. Linseed oil with bubble wrap. It's very safe. Very safe and in good condition. It's Berkeley Linseed Oil, and my first linseed oil was also the same brand, Berkeley, and I really like this brand, you know, since it is affordable, because most of linseed oil are, you know, it's kind of little expensive, so I choose this brand because it's very affordable. Okay, here it is. It's very cute. It's 100 ml of linseed oil. Okay, good condition, no damage, so it's done. this because this is another set of paint. It's acrylic paint. Okay, let's open it. They said this acrylic is very nice since it's very cheap and the quality is very good. So let's see if it's very good. So I will be making a video reviewing this acrylic paint. So please look forward for my upcoming video using this acrylic paint. I'm super excited to use this. Super excited. Every time I receive my package that I ordered, I'm really getting super excited, you know. Wow. It's very nice. Art Ranger for the studio and art graph, acrylic color. I ordered all pastel colors because I never have this pastel colors before, so I was thinking to try them all, but it's very sad I have no orange. But anyway, I can create orange because I have this yellow and pastel red, so you can create orange with the two shades of color. So it is pastel green, and this one is pastel purple, this one is pastel pink, this one is pastel red, this one is pastel yellow, this one is pastel blue, and this one is not pastel at all. It is a primary color that I ordered since I'm running out of white, and I still have enough black, but it's better to be prepared, you know. It's hard to be out of stock. So that's all. I hope you enjoy my video, the unboxing series of this channel, since it's the first time I did this unboxing. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you guys for watching, and please support my channel. Please like this video and other videos of mine. Please watch them, and please hit the subscribe if you are still new to this channel. Thank you so much, guys. Have a wonderful day. Bye.